Anyway, how far have we got to go? Apparently it's 6 minutes to Bakewell. And Bakewell is on the left, down here. We've just gone through Matlock, 3 miles to Bakewell. Guess what I'm going to do at Bakewell? I'm going to eat a Bakewell tart. Why would I do that for? Because Bakewell tarts were, funny enough, if you hadn't already guessed, made in Bakewell originally. They wasn't made by Mr. Kipling. Oh no. Here we go. Bakewell, Bakewell. Fancy yours much. And there's a bakery though. One in Northampton Town. Doubt it. No. Not really. Oh, this is where they call all the... Look, you like a lock, don't you? You look at this lock's in your... Look at all these locks. This lock's in the top box. What's the crack with all these locks then?
Love bridges.
Filming locks. Can you Google the locks?
Somebody go back.
Yeah. Even though it's promised not to. It's not going to rain today. Anyway, shut about the weather. Wow, see these are little bits that might well catch you out if you're getting a bit too spirited, and then all of a sudden it, I think right, so you can see the roads now. You wouldn't want to fall off there, would you? I wouldn't want to fall off in that anywhere, to be fair, but I wouldn't always like to live around here. Kind of remote. Where would you go to work if you lived here? Maybe they all work in a farm. You can't all work in a farm, can you? Mind you, the wonders of the internet now, saying that, you'd be struggling to get a signal here. But the wonders of the internet, you can work from home. God, imagine like being a successful YouTuber where you can make a lot of money on YouTube or whatever business you want. That'd be great, because you could just think, you know what, it's kind of irrelevant where I live. I don't need to live in any specific area. So if you had loads of money via YouTube, then you could pretty much live. It doesn't even have to be in the UK, would it? You just think, oh, you know what, I'm going to buy an house, I don't know, I'll buy that house there, I'll live in the middle of nowhere. Or there even. Looks a nice modern one. Might be a bit warmer in the winter, that one. And you can basically just hide away there, ride around here all day long doing YouTube videos, get paid to sustain your remote rural lifestyle. Cool. That'd be great. So if you lot subscribe and tell all your friends to subscribe, and they tell all their friends to subscribe, watch all my stuff, one day, you maybe never know, one day in the future, and then, I woke up, I was dreaming about being a successful YouTuber then, instead of a waffly boring old steward. Oh God. See that? I was going straight up there then, and there is actually a bloody... Here now, man. I wonder how many people have went straight into that, not concentrating, aren't they? So that's the trouble. I'm looking around at the scenery, thinking, oh, that looks nice. Hey, boom! Straight into the sign. Great, mate. Right, looks like we're going a slightly more off the beaten track. Lovely doubly, doubly, doubly. My glasses are steaming up now because it's dropped to 14 degrees. It was 18 degrees half an hour ago. Now it's 14. Yabba dabba blimmin' doodah. Little lambs, bless them. Ah, look, blue sky yonder. No need to start crying. Oh, look at that peak up there. Now you're not going to see that on the GoPro very well. But that must have been formed millions of years ago, and that beautiful peak is going to be the result of a violent, turbulent time in the world's history. Sorry, I'm not David Attenborough, admittedly, but that's just epic. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wowdy wowzer, look at that. I wonder what's down there then. That'd be that little road that goes right up there, you little. That'd be handsome, isn't it? Oh, look at this now. And all I can see is rain on my visor and steamy up glasses. Oh, great, mate, great. Hello, 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 hello. He didn't say hello. Sheep everywhere. Lamb choppity chop chops. What's this? You don't be running over any old sheep, matey. Bit of roadkill. So if that sheep, if that car runs that sheep over, because apparently roadkill, the law is, if you run something over and kill it, you're not allowed to pick it up and take it home to eat. But the next person that happens to stumble across it is allowed to. People will think, that's a weird law. I can't make head and tail of that. Well, the idea of head and tail of that is that it stops people crashing into animals on purpose to eat them. That was kind of the idea of it. Look at this. How it's beautiful, look. Wow, this is a nice spot. There's some caves down there apparently, so. Ah, you're right, alright matey. How are you, my old duck? You alright? Look at this. This looks beautiful. I need dinosaurs now. Oh look, Blue John Cavern. Blue John Cavern. Isha. We don't want to go in John's Blue Cavern, matey. Oh, look at the beautifulness of this. Eh? Wait, are you going in there? Oh, our car's waiting. I think that car's going. Come on, you shanty. Huh? Where are we going? Ah, he took a wrong turn. Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry. It's very pretty here. Huh? It's very pretty. It's very nice here. Right. Lovely. Look, it's a nice, beautiful place, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Not that all many oh, look at this, mighty beauty. Behold. Ah, behold the loveliness. Behold the beautifulness of the beautiful. Oh, look at this. I mean, my God. Look at it. Look. Oh, wowsy bloody wowzer. I want to get the old stick up there a little bit more there, my old beautiful. Ah, yes. Isn't it beautiful? Lovely. Woo-ha! Oh, look at this. It makes you feel so tiny. And this is very awe-inspiring. Look, this is absolutely beautiful. Look at the loveliness. Woo-hoo! What am I shouting for? Good morning, my neighbours! Look at this, it's beautiful. I just feel like shouting here. This is so, oh God. It's alright, my old Tourette's kicking in a bit, and the old whatever else I've got wrong with me is definitely kicking in a treat. Wow! Woohoo! What a beautiful place. Well, the roads are not as potholed here in the middle of friggin' nowhere as they are anywhere else. Oh, you mince teasing bastard. Let me pull it, let me get in here a bit. I want to piss over that top. Can I borrow a monkey ball?
Yeah, it's only a 5k. And it's not a race, you can run. If you want to run, you've got to join the team.
Sound like getting laid.
Yeah. Oh. It's killing my leg.
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
Do this way. Or that way.
I'll do this way.
Oh, bollocks!
Not really. I need to pace myself. Please don't die. Woohoo! Good morning, my neighbors! Hey, fuck you, Tony! Weather. Oh well, what can you do? Not a lot, not a lot. The only downside is, apart from the obvious, I'm getting soaking wet. Oh, God, I am as well. I haven't bought any waterproof bottoms. Come on then, mate. Got no waterproof bottoms on. But yeah.